So, Waminto, Wanto, Kisii County, Entebe officially. Ninge ndete kuba kolegas, nchege ntonko basaba kuruesi mole. Nsaberani, nyasange chinguru, ndiri nebe kora, ere county yeto. Toko wanyabantu wetu. Wakalijia wa MCA komi, wali elected, na abandi nominated batano, wakabaletere document ye budget, wakacheki badenga, into bichenchige, wakatinenie basari, wakatinenie wakanu, no mushahara, no embara ubuka banyene, mushahara ugatinene. Ekerobona tuwa denga, rose monenye, tuanye rose, chibesa cha soke, maambia. Mpaka Friday kwa ina natuli chicheki kero mwana wa applied e basari Kisii, and we are determined ngega serongo koratwe ogalito nyamasibi ichune kiamo kama kesusu nyacheki. Yes. In Kisii County, particularly in Keroka, where some known criminals have gone and demolished the office of the area MCA, where the ward admin sits, and they have destroyed properties. For the criminals who were arrested by the public and presented before the police, later on, I'm told they were released. I want to urge our security operators, instead of you being busy arranging on how to raid my residence, to plant illegal weapons, kindly can you deal with the insecurity which is on the rise in Kisii. Yesterday night I'm told there are people again kill a young man in Kenya, whereas the criminals who were arrested with the blood-stained motorbikes, these people were released yesterday night. Before we do that, I want to urge the security operators, starting with the senior most, kindly do what the law requires of you. Kindly protect the lives of the people. Protect properties, both private and the government. Even if you were to hate me, I still remains the governor of Kisii. For the 5 years that I've been given the mandate, and God willing, the other 5 years after being elected, I will continue serving my people. We want to ask the national government, because you have closed your ears and eyes, we will result into protecting ourselves as our people. Abantu bamintu ndayanga ekiere serikali ekorekana tili korora tili gotegerera ni nchemba etinete ntegetemba tebinga ninde tayari kubuli abananchi bayirende bokabanyene ngenjo teyo ekonyarekana properties chikogendera osalika amagima kagosira abaskali baligereretse. We are saying enough is enough, and we will give a direction tomorrow. If the perpetrators of the India's Act at Keroka, they cannot be arrested, we are giving a direction tomorrow at the stadium. And nobody will like it. Because if you have been given a responsibility and you are not committed to executing that responsibility, we will help you to do it. We want to urge our brothers and sisters who are in the security sectors, act now. Arrest all the criminals who are involved in crime in Kisii. Is either you're behind them or you are the one sponsoring them. Kwa hivyo wananchi mkae choncho, mimi nitapeana direction kesho ni nini tunafaa kufanya kwa masuala ya security in our county. Teko nyarekana umuntu akabwatu igoro oite to umuntu abantu he pigipigi alikenyenya arafa basikali naende bakamubwatu bachiete keroka bakabuna obisi MMCA bagakora abantu bakabwatu bakairu police station baragoba bakabwatokwa. Abantu baitu, be prepared. We are going to make sure Kisii is safe from all these criminal gangs.